Hello everyone. So yesterday was my birthday and I got a Kingdom Optimus primal. So I'm just gonna quickly give you guys a show of the packaging. Well, not the packaging. Here are the instructions. I didn't really use them because the transformation is so fun and intuitive. It is really good. So here is the box. As you can see, we've just got the classic Kingdom packaging. So you got clear where you can see the figure sit. This side you just have the rest of that photo. That looks really good. On that side you have the Kingdom artwork. On the back you have him in his robot mode and in his monkey mode. So and then on this side you have he's a Voyager class, Voyager, class Viajero, and class Voyager. Hooray for packaging and hooray for instructions. So, without those in the way, let's get in on the full review. So, this guy is a really good figure. Yes, he does have kind of some kibble back here. It's not that bad. I think it handles it a little bit better than the Masterpiece one. But then again, this is a pretty good figure. So as far as articulation goes, in monkey mode, his head is on a swivel and a hinge, so he can look side to side, look down, look up a little bit. Well, look up a little bit. Can turn, so it can be looking at you funny. And then his arms can move out that far. Can do a full 360. They can rotate. It can bend forward about that far, and then these are on swivels. Come back. It's mostly this part, so that's on a hinge. This does like to come on tab. That's one of the problems I have with this guy. But on the other leg, it's all fine. So as far as transformation goes, we will start with this part. So you want to grab this section. Let me move just a different angle right now. So what you want to do, you want to grab this part here, like under his head, like right there. You're going to push that back. Oh, flip that up. That's going to rotate and push it back. So now you've got that. Then you want to rotate this belly piece out, and then before we do this, you want to make sure this head is rotated so it is like this, and you push that in and line that up. Okay, and then we're gonna move on to the arms. You want to push this up until it clicks in. Push this up until it clicks in. Until it clicks in. There we go. Okay. Then you want to rotate the hands. There you go. And you want to straighten out the legs. You want to move these foot sections down right here. Rotate. You want this back foot rotated and tab it in there. And here we have Optimus Primal in his robot mode, just making sure everything is in line. You want to make sure the head is like properly like that. And you tab it in, make sure everything's tabbed in, everything is in, and that is it. Look at this beautiful robot mode. So it's kind of using the original as a base, but then adding some more for Cybertron feel to it and some excellent fur texture. So, as far as accessories go in this mode, you do get his swords. Very nice swords right there. There you go. So he does come with two of them. So you can get him, his arms, he has fingers can open. They're all on one hinge. So you want to slide these swords right on in there, like so, and then wrap his fingers around, open up this finger, well, this set of fingers, and then wrap his fingers around, and there you go, he's got his swords. But then if we untap these, and there's a little square right in there. See, it's right there. So you want to push on that, and then his guns do pop out of his arms, and you can angle them up like so. They are on both sides. This side, I find his left arm to be a lot harder to get out than the others. Oh, on the other side. So there you go. He's got his guns out, and then so he's got his blasters out like so. And then if that's not enough for you, swords and guns aren't enough, you get more guns. Yes, that's right, more guns. So you just open these up like so, push it back, and there you go. Now you've got his shoulder rockets, his arm rockets, and his swords. So as far as articulation goes in this mode, if you just put the arms back in, the head is on a ball joint. Just angle those back quick. His head is on a ball joint, can look all the way around the cup and a little bit down. His arms can rotate all the way around, move out that far, bend in that far. It's the same articulation as the monkey mode arms, and then they can rotate and his fingers can open up. So he does have a waist swivel. His legs can move forward that far, and if you move his butt flap, his leg can move back that far. His legs can move out about that far. His knee, I'll use this knee because that other one that's to come untabbed. He has slightly over 90 degrees of bend there, and then he has a tilt. He has a bit of an ankle tilt, can move up, and then it has a little bit of up and down. I do like this feet design though. It's like, as you can see, it looks like it's on a piston, but it's not really. But it does look cool. But yes, I did get the card, and it is on my phone case, on this phone case. But as far as this figure goes, he's pretty cool. He is possibly my favorite character out of, possibly my favorite Kingdom figure, because the Optimus Prime is literally just the Earthstars one in Kingdom packaging. But there you go. So if you guys want to pick this up, he is on Amazon. He is in stores. So he's in Walmart, Target, all that. Check that out. And if you like Transformers and you like my vlogs, then check out this channel. As always, remember guys, keep watching and subscribe. Bye.